Here's a quick review of these Maxpedition Velcro pouches. I believe they only come in this green, khaki green color. The Velcro on these is substantial and stitched on very, very well. They hold on to Velcro surfaces very, very solidly. They have two different dimensions. The smaller one is 3x5, just about. The larger one is about 5x7. Okay, and they have a decent amount of depth to them. Can hold more than you think, and each of them have two elastic looped areas to hold items vertically, as well as a pocket in front on this one. Just to show you how much depth there is, I went ahead and fit a Stanley Power Lock 30-foot tape measure in there. But so they hold more than you would think. I've kept like a survival tin in one of these in the past. So again, the two elastic loops and a small flat pocket on the front. Material wise, it's a good denier nylon that holds up to abrasion very well. I've had these for years and you can't even tell. The zippers are all very smooth, as you would expect from Maxpedition, and the pulls are good also. So I think these are a great option for organizing your gear. If you have a Velcro surface that you're trying to attach them to, say on the inside of a backpack, the roof of a range kit. So highly recommend these things. Maxpedition has done a great job creating some Velcro options for us.